We're back.
Yeah, and we just
Oh,
which,
you have a nice one.
yeah, we're just done with our gym for tonight. And we're now flexing our muscle for the exercise.
That's just the third day of
This the third day. No muscle.
No muscle at all. Still fats.
Still fats. Still fats. But give me time. Give me time.
So we'll
Look, huh? The flex
There.
guy, huh? Look at me.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
So we have 9 cases.
But yes, 9 cases.
and there's no
of
Rudy
course, no. Again, Rudy Gay is absent. Good for us.
Oh, we'll see. It's
No.
not bad, huh?
No. We'll see. Oh, we have Ginobili for the first card.
Minor.
Maynor. Ooh,
Very
Chris Paul,
nice.
huh?
Chris Paul.
Right.
Scottie
Not bad.
Pippen. Good.
BJ Mullins
But it's gold.
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 Number 232.
But, teka. The gold of BJ Mullins is supposed to be autographed.
No, he did not
Yeah, he signed.
He signed
no,
the
no,
regular
We
card.
got so many autograph gold already and regular autograph. This is
Oh,
the
man.
first time we.
What's up,
I'm not sure why this there
Oh,
a card like that. That's the
Yes.
first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Because he autographed the
Yeah, he
regular card.
autographed the 225 twice, two kinds, and then the gold also 2 kinds. This is the first time that there's a gold parallel without autograph. What's that?
Chris Bosh? That's
Chris-
the daughter of the
cameraman.
cameraman.
Yeah,
Very beautiful.
The girlfriend of my son in the future.
No way.
Oh, it's
James Harden.
James Harden.
And
Exclusive signature patches number 250.
Vince
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 Carter.
Carter. Then we have a Ray Allen extra. And then the one Blair.
And
Then of course a
LeBron.
LeBron. Base card.
So let's see if this is any good.
Yeah, I hope. We were very lucky last time. We
got how many?
6 cases.
2 triple access. Huh?
2 plus 1 of Gilbert Arenas.
And the dual MJ LeBron.
Sam Young.
Samyang. Oh,
Reggie
Reggie
Theus.
Theus. That's the surprise already. Oh,
Photo
it's
base of Vince Carter.
again.
Tyreek.
Very good.
But
Steve Nash.
Steve Nash and the
Oh,
Joakim is injured.
Oh,
injured.
yeah.
The injured guy out for the rest of the season.
Out for the season.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
No, I think, yeah, maybe. I'm not
Maybe
quite sure.
he'll be out for the rest of the season.
Tapos niya kayo.
Next,
Yeah.
Derrick
Derrick Rose.
Rose,
Earl
Earl
Clark.
Clark,
John Stockton number 250 signature patches.
Okay.
Carmelo. James Harden. Manu.
jersey, and a base card of
Al Harrington.
Al Harrington.
Let's see if this
So far,
nothing.
nothing,
Nothing
So
good.
far, nothing good, Come on. What can you say, Mr. Gay? It's okay.
Ikita in this back, huh?
Yeah, why?
What are you
What's the
watching there?
problem? What are you watching there?
Watch the cards here.
Yeah,
Okay,
come
very
on,
good.
yeah.
Nice.
We miss you.
Iguodala. Sam Young.
Mike
Mike
Bibby.
Bibi.
Jordan.
Jordan
Jordan.
extra. Oh.
Dewan Blair.
And
Paul-
jersey.
Paul
Pierce.
So nothing yet,
Nothing yet. This is from the US of A. This is from the US of A.
From our US supplier.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
maybe something good.
Something good.
Ooh,
Right,
looks like
I
a
hope
See, there's a BJ Mullins.
rookie
I told
retro.
you. Rookie patch.
Peyton
Peyton Manning.
Peyton again.
Got a
Now
lot
it's
of
the white
Peyton
jersey.
Mannings, huh?
Before we pulled the blue,
Mm,
Plenty of blue.
Yes.
but still one color. Why?
It's a white patch.
White patch this time.
Jose Calderon.
Jose Calderon. Rednar.
Ridnor and
Jermaine.
Jermaine O'Neal.
Nothing good, ah.
Well, the Peyton is not bad. It's at least 500.
Oh yeah, I will have some 0304 coming.
Oh, yeah.
0304?
People are asking if you're going to
Exquisite?
open 0304.
2
The
cases.
LeBron year?
Yes,
Oh
two
my
cases.
god.
Ew, that's gonna be exciting.
Oh, that's... Oh,
Ooh,
nice.
yeah, siya.
Look at
The
that
Patalo.
touch, Oh, earlier?
Yeah.
They were up big, ah.
Up big,
Yes.
then loose.
We got
God
burned
damn
big
it,
time.
you got us burned. Again.
Hans, bro.
Whoa!
Oh, one.
Oh, I thought it's a one of one because of the color.
But we got T-Mac.
Yeah,
Oh, so
maybe.
it's a good sign.
it's a good sign. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Agent
Come on.
Zero. So we got the 1 of 1.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Derek Brown. Ooh, wait.
Oh,
Excuse me,
okay.
Magic
Yes.
Johnson.
Not
Nice.
bad.
Very good.
Not bad. Di pa nag-Jordan ang putang ina. Dami pa naghahanap sa atin.
Brendan.
Brendan
right.
Wright. David Lee. And Stephon.
Stephon, who
Let's get another rookie retro
He's
from
still
this batch.
playing?
in Europe.
Oh, really?
I think Europe or China.
Oh,
Oh, yes,
why not
yes.
in the Philippines?
No money to pay him.
Wow,
Still expensive.
still expensive.
Oh, another rookie retro.
Ooh,
Really?
this is a rookie retro batch. Oh, but it's the
Are you
last
sure?
Darren Collison.
now. Yes.
Oh, come on. Oh,
Mario Lemieux.
you know we should
Get the Sidney Crosby
yeah,
because he played
he's
very well.
No,
in
they
the-
won the goal
Yeah, that's
because
right.
of his winning shot.
Ah,
Yes,
this
that's
one?
right.
Yeah, no, Sidney Crosby.
Ah, Sidney Crosby.
He's got the winning goal against the US team.
Yes.
He beat our team.
Our
Because
team,
we're US citizen.
Yes,
you know?
and you read USA Today every day.
Yeah.
And you're triple citizen.
Yeah, US, Filipino, and senior.
Yes.
Okay,
So
we'll be
we'll
back.
back.
Oh, yes. I forgot.